Hello everyone, welcome to the CFL. I am Neeraj Prajapati, one of your friends to help you learn the English language. In this video, we are going to be talking about the correct position of the word always. Let's get started. Always has three positions. The first position is the beginning of the sentence. It is the starting of the sentence. Let's have some examples. Always speak the truth. Always come on time. Always follow your parents. If you notice, these sentences are orders or pieces of advice or requests. So, if you request somebody or share a piece of advice or you want to order, then you should use the word always in the beginning when there is no subject in the sentence. Now the second position of the word always is right after the subject or before the main verb. Let's have some examples. She always comes on time. They always understand my point of view. My father always understands my feelings. In these sentences, if you notice, there are no helping verbs. There is a subject and a verb, and no helping verb in the sentence. That brings us to the next point, the third position of the word always. If any sentence has a helping verb, then always is used right after the helping verb. Let's have some examples. She has always assisted me. I am always on time. They were always eager to learn. Sentences like these. And that brings me to the end of the video. I'm sure the video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Do let me know if you want to learn and understand other topics as well. Thank you for now. See you in the next video.